monitors its students' service and actually check the accreditation status of the school or program. When closing an online JANS program process, students should ensure the school is accredited by a organism recognized by either the US Diplomat of including for or the non-profit conflict for higher education's accreditation. This organized monitor programs and school and renew their accreditation every few years. The development of accredited post-sensory intelligence and programs contain information for recognized accreditation engines and state able against that report to the US Department of Education information regulation whether an online degree program is attended in often able to on a school's website. Accreditation is a process that outside conducts to access a school or degree programs, either on campus, online, or combinations of both, makes creation students of quality and rigorous excellence is a valuable process, thus it has several benefits and essential validates programs to employees and other inklets.